What's up, beautiful people? It's another beautiful property tour, but this time, an additional inspection. We are about to turn over a studio unit for my client in New Zealand, all the way down south. Mivela Garden Residences is a project by Cebu Landmasters Inc., the #1 developer in Visayas and Mindanao. Common things to remember when you inspect a unit, whether you are an owner or an agent, are general housekeeping, the cleanliness, and the plugs, the how it fits on the wall, the female plugs, how it fits on the wall. And we have the drain test. We have to check that the water goes down the drain. So those are the most important things. And of course, don't forget the kitchen. If it's well sealed so that water will not go out, to the side or under it. So those are primarily the things that you need to check right when you arrive in your unit. Let's begin the inspection of this studio unit with balcony. Let's start at the balcony because it's big. And look at that. So, like I said, housekeeping. So, the cleanliness over there. We have to check the drain. So I don't have a marble. I always forget to bring marbles. So just the general housekeeping. Uh, if you can remove all the whites, all the white paints, also that one. And ma-remove pa ning rust, ma'am. Kani ma-remove pa ni siya. Okay. So let's request this to be removed. All the rusting. Kaning puti-puti sa tiles, matanggal naman nila. Palimpyuhan lang. Aircon provision. Okay. I think it's good. Next is the plugs. See? See that? Ito nga. So I have to make sure that it sticks to the wall. Pilit lang, pilit. Okay. Tile works. Mga grouting ana. Okay. So far so good. No problem. Okay. No problem. Okay. And slider. Lalu. Pilit. Yeah, there you go. Sige, gamit. Okay. Ooh, nana lights. No leaking. Pwede ko pasilant ani Ma'am Dayan? Kani siya? Sige, sir. Ha? Para kuan. Mura man siya, murag nahiwi mo ko basta niya mabungkag. Okay. How about here? So, shower. Let's see if mahulog ang water. Ala, ang drain ma'am, wala na shoot. Oh, ang tubig, wala na. Dili. Nahulog siya dito sa side.
Wala na to, sir. Kung makandigin siya.
Oo. Wala gid siya na shoot sa drain, oh. Nahulog siya dito sa kuan, sa wall. No? Kita ka? Kita na ma'am.
Anong ipan, sir?
Nidagan ang tubig dito. No?
Ito lang, pasgatsan, sir, ha?
Sige.
Ito na ito, kung nag-gloves ako.
Ang balikan taon-taon. Ang pulo. Kani pang washing gini siya diri ma'am na. So this is for the washing. Open na siya, water supply. This is the plug. Okay. Ang Zocalo is a bit small, so you have the option to put a glass partition over there. Exhaust, water. It's wood. So, wala siya nag-drain. Puno siya. Okay. Inabit.
Itaot pa na mo iya.
Okay.
Covered, sir, ha?
Wala pa din. Tawag pa din siya.
Wala siya for mga glove ay i-access nila.
Okay. So, this drain. Okay.
Sunset na siya, ma'am.
Mano siya ang para kuan ma'am? Para range hood?
Range hood, din,
That's
sir.
an-
Buyan aning outlet.
So there straight ra babaw.
Basta
Okay.
mga na siya.
Markahe lang no. Sila ra. Kamura.
Access ra,
Okay.
sir.
Sige go.
Kunin tayo ninyong install sa range hood.
Nice. Okay. Nindot. Guwapo. Ay, pwede na ko testingan ang door, ma'am. Thank you. Kani. Palimpyo lang ko aning doorknob, ma'am, sa sulod. So this one, doorknob. Mami sir, go to the kwanto. Go to the balcony. It's windy out there. Sealed. Okay. So this is the power. Somebody suggested that I have to test out the electrical wiring, but I don't have the tools yet. Datag suga. Okay. Ano ta diri balik, ma'am? Wala gid siya na drain, ma'am, oh. No? Yeah. Please note lang, wala siya na drain. Basig limpyuhanan rin kay duha man ni ka layer, di ba? Duha man ni ka layer. Basig ang ubos nga layer limpyuhanan lang. Unya properly marble test siguro, drain test kay padung dito gid ang tubig sa wall. Nga lang. Okay. Ikaw, mamaya, nakanakitaan? Okay naman siya. Kato lang. Ang drain lang, yet. Yet mo ning novella. Yeah. From? So that's it for me. That's the entire inspection. Very minimal because Ibulan Masters really gives 100% when it comes to construction. So the biggest problem that I saw was just the drain, which can be worked for or worked on in about like 2 weeks. So going back in less than 30 days, check it out again, and then when everything is okay, we will start the turnover process. So that's it for me. See you in the next inspection. Bye.